The humidity problem. Have you ever stepped out of the shower in a humid climate only to reach for a towel that feels damp, heavy, and smells like it hasn't dried since yesterday? Today, we are looking at a solution used for generations in the tropical climate of Kerala, India. It's called a Thorthu, pronounced Thorthu. It's not your typical fluffy bath towel, it's a high-performance, minimalist tool for drying off. For the first-timer, what is a Thorthu? If you've never seen a Thorthu, it might look like a simple, thin piece of cotton. But here's the difference: standard towels are made of terry cloth with thick loops that trap moisture. A Thorthu is a flat-weave cotton towel. If you hold one up to the light, you can actually see the open weave structure, tiny, deliberate gaps between the threads. This isn't a design flaw, it's a technical feature. Those gaps allow air to circulate instantly, which is why this towel dries in minutes, not hours. It's not about cushion, it's about efficiency. The travel game changer. Why do travelers love this? Space saver. A Thorthu folds down to the size of a single t-shirt. It's incredibly lightweight, so you can fit 3 torches in the space of one standard hotel towel. The musty fix. Because it dries so fast, it won't trap the moisture that creates that sour used towel smell in your luggage or hotel room. Blotting power. It doesn't rely on being thick to absorb water. It acts like a high-performance blotting paper, pulling moisture off your skin instantly so you can get dressed and get moving. The first-timer reality check before you switch. Keep these 2 things in mind. The break-in period. A brand new Thorthu can feel slightly crisp. Think of it like a pair of raw denim jeans. It needs to be seasoned. After 3 to 4 washes, it becomes incredibly soft and supple. No cushion. If you're looking for a thick, fluffy hotel-style wrap, this isn't it. It's a functional, utility-focused towel. You'll get used to the lightness very quickly, but it will feel different on day 1. How to procure one. You won't find Thorthu in the towel aisle at your local supermarket, so here is your procurement roadmap. Search keywords. Don't just search cotton towel, that will get you thick terry. Use terms like Kerala handloom cotton towel, Indian cotton gauze towel, lino weave cotton towel. Best platforms. Etsy is your #1 resource. Many Indian weavers list directly there and ship globally. Search the terms above, filter for handmade, and you'll find authentic handloom sellers. Pro tip for sellers: when messaging a seller, ask this: does this towel have an open, gauze-like weave with visible gaps between threads, or is it a tight flat weave? A good seller will know exactly what you mean by open weave. If you are tired of bulky, damp towels, the Thorthu is the ultimate minimalist upgrade. It's simple, sustainable, and arguably the most functional towel you'll ever own. Switch to a Thorthu, pack lighter, and never deal with a musty towel again.